Hello everyone, greetings of the day. This is Dr. Manthan Taylor and I welcome you all to another tutorial video of Quantum GIS. Before I start, let me just tell you something about the data. ये Kerala state, which is one of the state in southern India, उसका जो state boundary है, and then I have the district boundaries of the same shape, which is having the data pertaining to the population, district population. All in all, we have 14 districts जहाँ पे population data embedded है. दूसरी चीज ये दोनों ही प्रोजेक्टेड सीआरएस में है सो आई वुड जस्ट ब्रिंग इट टू योर नोटिस कि कौन से प्रोजेक्टेड सीआरएस में है सो हियर इट इज WGS 84 UTM जोन 43N तो दोनों जो शेप फाइल्स हैं ये जो आप लेयर्स देख रहे हैं दोनों ही सेम प्रोजेक्टेड सीआरएस में है अब अगर मुझे इसका इंटरपोलेशन मैप बनाना है पॉपुलेशन का सो दिस पॉलीगन्स वोंट बी ऑफ हेल्प एक बार ट्राई करके मैं आपको दिखा देता हूँ इफ आई गो फॉर IDW इंटरपोलेशन then the only types of data sets which are available for interpolation are points, structured lines, and break lines. तो यहाँ पे हमारे polygons won't be of any help. For which we have one very nice tool that is the centroid. तो centroid क्या करता है? जो भी आप polygon select करोगे, उसमें एक central point add करेगा. That is not all, but the best part is it will also assume the properties or the attributes associated with those particular shape files जिसका आपने centroid create किया है. So here what we have is the Kerala district population in the attribute table of centroid. And if in case now we move ahead with the IDW interpolation, तो यहाँ पे centroid by default selected है and I want to use this district population. Click on add. We have the points. Few more details to be added. Distance coefficient आप 2.0 रहने दीजिए. Extent I want from the layer. तो state boundary का extent दे रहा हूँ और rows and column को ना छेड़ते हुए what I would be more interested in is the pixel size. तो चूंकि ये projected CRS में है इसका distance unit जो है that is in meters. So I want let us say 250 meters by 250 meters pixel size. That will roughly give me 2000 rows and approximately 1100 columns and I click on run. It will take some time depending upon the size of the pixel that you are choosing. The finer is the pixel size. I mean, the smaller is the pixel size, larger will be the data set that will be created and it will be relatively time consuming. So here we have the interpolated part. Now, मैंने इसके पहले वाले में भी एक एक्सट्रैक्शन करना वीडियो के अंदर मैंने एक्सप्लेन किया है पर इफ इन केस वी वांट टू मूव अहेड कि अब मुझे ये जो रास्टर है उसको बस बाउंड्री तक ही चाहिए सो आई वुड गो टू रास्टर मेन्यू एक्सट्रैक्शन and clip raster by mask layer. I'm using interpolated as the input layer and mask layer as not the population. Those are the district boundaries, but this is the state boundary. So I'm using this, not modifying anything much, and click on run and close. So here what you have is your interpolated part. So this was regarding the centroid part. Next, what we have is collect geometries. Now this collect geometries, let me explain. So I am using this Kerala population pro, right? The rest of the things I'm keeping as such, clicking on run and close. It is showing me this file collected. And if I uncheck this, then won't be having much difference between these two, right? But what this actually does is though it appears कि यहाँ पे बहुत सारे multiple parts हैं इस collected में, but if you check out the attribute table, now it is only one single entity. तो अगर किसी केस में ऐसा है that you need to merge your shape files, though they appear to be different, but यहाँ पे appearance उनका अलग है, but it will be behaving as one single entity. मैं आपको एक example से बता देता हूँ. So I am clicking on toggle editing on and selecting the feature. If I select any of this feature, it will be selecting all of it. See, collected. But let me show you what the difference it has made. So I'm clicking on this layer, toggle editing on, and then I'm selecting. I'm in a position to select individual district because here they are behaving as individual entity. अगर आपको एक multiple parts की geometry collect करनी है, in that case you use and the reverse operation of the same. मैं इसको deselect कर देता हूँ. ये जो collected है, इसका reverse operation जो है, there we have the multi part to single parts collected and run close. But the issue with this is अगर आपके पास इस तरीके का data है and then you want to create multiple parts using multiple parts into individual parts, the only thing is it will be giving the same attribute to all the parts. So that is one thing that you need to correct if in case you have such kind of data which is having collected geometries. और एक चीज मैं आपको यहाँ पे बता दूं कि अगर आपका प्रोजेक्टेड सीआरएस में है तो एक बहुत ही important पार्ट जो है ऐड ज्योमेट्री एट्रीब्यूट्स, इसको आप यूज करके you can add the area and the perimeter to the polygons. You can also use this for lines. In that case it will be giving you the length of a particular feature. Clicking on run and close. So I'll show you the difference. ये जो है हमारा state boundary, उसका geometry attributes have been added. So you have the area and perimeter for whole of the state. And now let us use this population, the district wise file for the same. And you are performing the same operations. Add geometry attributes. I'm using Kerala population pro, that is this file, and calculate using layer CRS. Layer CRS जो है हमारा already projected है. Click on run and close. It will be creating another layer, added geometry information, and then you check the attribute table. You would see that it has added the area and the perimeter to all the districts. So these were three of them. I'll be sharing few more with you soon, and have a good day. Thank you.